All right, welcome, Mr. Schaefer. So I noticed that you clicked on the collaboration link and you added this additional resource. And I know that you added it because your name is listed next to it and it gives the date when you contributed to it. And then I opened up the resource and then I was able to give you some feedback and gave you a thumbs up by clicking on the little thumbs up button right there. And you can see right there, it lets you know and let me know that I gave you a thumbs up. And so basically, if I'm a teacher, I can come in here and give a hand clap or a thumbs up, just so that you are acknowledged with your addition of a resource, and I can put this into my grade book that you met the criteria for adding to the resources. So the other thing that you can also do is you can click on Edit Collection. And once you're inside of Edit Collection, it is the same process again. And instead of just adding a resource, in addition to adding a resource, you can click on the button and come all the way over to the apps and click on video. This will activate your Flipgrid video, and you can talk about this specific resource, why you added it, what you found interesting, and all the details, so you can verbalize it and basically give a literature review of this document that goes with this collection. So that is a great way of adding a document, or if you have a typed document in your Google Drive or Word doc that you typed out, that you did a lit review on for this specific resource, you can go into your Google Drive or OneDrive and retrieve that as well. So just another way to enhance the learning experience from the student's perspective. All right, and one last pro move. This is the article that you added, Mr. Schaefer. One last pro move. If you click on this read mode right here, it'll take this article and take off all of this advertisements or pictures and convert it directly into text. And you can read just the text, and if you have a kiddo that has an IEP for reading or needs some reading services, you can click the immersive reader button and click play.
A century ago, on February 17, 1919, the U.S. Army's 369th Infantry Regiment, nearly 3,000 African American soldiers, and known as the Harlem Hellfighters.
It will read it to the student, and additionally, you can go to Reading Preferences in the right-hand corner, it's a little book, and we can convert the reading preferences to a specific language. And let's say, for instance, you have Spanish learners in your classroom, and let's go to Spanish, and we can make the entire document Spanish and convert it. And now we can start at the beginning and read it.
Hace un siglo, el 17 de febrero de 1919, el 369º Regimiento de Infantería del Ejército de los Estados Unidos, casi 3.000 soldados afroamericanos y conocidos como los Harlem Hellfighters.
So it's just a different way to enhance the learning experience for every student. Hope this helps.